Hey traders, watch me make over $1,000 using my simple moving average crossover strategy. When you see the moving averages cross over, you go either short or long. You're going to use the simple supply and demand zones to set your break evens and your stop losses and your targets. So we got in as a short as soon as this crossed over. And as we follow it down, we're going to move our stop loss down to break even. Make sure that we lock in this as a free trade, and we're looking to get out as we get close to the first target. Give ourselves a little bit of room there so that we don't miss our target. And then just to lock in some profits, we'll go ahead and move that down. And that's a quick couple of $100. Now that the market turned around immediately, we're getting ready to see another crossover for a long. Right here, we see the moving averages crossing, and we're back in. We'll put our stop loss just below the swing low. And let's watch and see it run right up to the next level. Give ourselves a little bit of breathing room. And watch as the moving average stays above. Slowly bring our stop loss up. As soon as we get clear enough of our entry, we'll move to break even. Make sure that it is a free trade. There we go. And as we hit our target and get closer to it, beautiful. Now we'll take our stop loss and move it up, lock in some additional profits, a little bit of a pullback at that zone, and a fast $1,000 with 2 easy trades. Look for more info on my strategy for putting the moving averages on your charts and how to take these trades and earn profits every single day.